In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get rifles, snipers, and shotguns here in generic blood sandbox shooter on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, once you get loaded into the game itself, you need to go ahead and look over on the left-hand sidebar, and you're going to go ahead and see this little loadout tab right here. Go ahead and select that, and once you select it, go to the primary tab specifically, because in this section, you could browse different weapon types, including those rifles, shotguns, and sniper rifles. Since we scroll through here, find whatever one you want to use. For example, we'll go ahead and get ourselves a sniper real quick, since they are, in my opinion, the most fun to use. And then whenever you're done, just select loadout again. You'll see it pop up in here, and then you could go ahead and start using that sniper or whatever gun you chose. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.